So here's a special one right here. I did watch the movie, and the car is awesome. 66 Ford Thunderbird from Thelma and Louise, green light. Nice. This hood, I look and I can almost tell you it opens. Oh, nice. There's a nice picture of an engine. Sweet. That is nice. Top come off. I don't know. Beautiful back end. Wow. That is nice. Real rubber tires. This is a nice Thunderbird. Absolutely. Wow. Nice recreation. Absolutely, guys. Look at that thing. Wow. What do you think, Thelma and Louise car? Have you ever seen it before? Let me know.